wonderful batch of the new members.
Pat Castillo po, service band.
Passing about the service band.
Jackie Magno, Orig, service band.
Ako naman po ay si Chad Bora, 4th generation U-Mixes.
Ako si Louie Reyes, original U-Mix.
Rayan Fuentes po, hybrid.
Balimbing!
Kasi Circus and New Minstrels.
Alam niyo po, hindi lang siyang balimbing because for those of you who don't know, I actually auditioned for the circus band. In fact, I rehearsed with them twice. Pero sabi ko, ayoko dito.
I auditioned for minstrels, kaya lang hindi ako natanggap. Bakit? Ang haba ng buhok ko hanggang bewang.
Ayaw niyo po.
That's why I joined the service. Basil, ako din, I auditioned for the service band.
Really now?
Hindi ako natanggap dahil mas mahaba ang buhok ni Basil sa akin. Diba? Prince Valiant tayo nun eh, diba?
Ikaw.
Anyway, here we are. I think this is the best thing that could ever happen to anyone. Doing what we enjoy the most, right here on stage. And people, so many of you supporting us tonight. I hope you have a grand time tonight, ladies and gentlemen. This evening is for all of you. I'd like to thank everyone, of course, for being here, especially those parents who brought their children. For their children to realize the beauty of the 70s and the 80s music. I'd like to thank those people who didn't have partners but brought their DIs. Why? Because for the DIs to realize the music of the 70s and the 80s are more danceable, right? And of course, I'd like to thank those people who brought their caregivers. Thank you